Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to send pictures on Character AI. First of all, open up your preferred browser and go to beta.character.ai. Now you will be redirected to the home page of the website. Before proceeding, make sure you are logged into your account. Here, all of the characters that you have created will be displayed on the top of your screen. So select any character from your list and go to the chat section. In the chat section, there will be a plus icon at the left side of your typing bar. But if you don't see this icon, simply go to the URL search bar and remove the number 2. Once you remove it from the URL, refresh the page, and you will see the plus icon there. After that, click on this plus icon, and you will see two options of uploading and creating an image. So select any of them according to your choice. So that's all for this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. Thanks.